Hello. Are you looking for the evidence analysis you need when writing about the character Lord Capulet? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Lord Capulet in the tragic play Romeo and Juliet. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. What noise is this? Give me my long sword. Immediately, the character is presented as an aggressive individual who fights before he thinks. The use of the imperative sentence also highlights that he sees others as subservient to him. My child is yet a stranger in the world. Whilst discussing the potential marriage of Juliet to Paris, Lord Capulet appears protective of his younger daughter. Stranger indicates that she is unfamiliar with the world and its many mechanisms. Perhaps it is this protection which causes the character to rush into marriage with Romeo, which brings about her demise. She will be ruled by me. Lord Capulet exerts his patriarchal dominance here, insisting that his daughter will do his bidding in this declarative sentence. The modal verb will highlights that the character has no doubts that he will be obeyed. Hang, beg, starve, die in the streets. Upon her refusal to marry Paris, Lord Capulet enters into an aggressive tirade with his daughter, uttering numerous violent verbs such as hang, to indicate that going against his will means death, which ironically it did. The use of minor sentences also reflects the small amount of time Lord Capulet now has for his daughter. So there you are. There's some great analysis and evidence you can include in your essays to supplement any long theme as well as his character. So thank you. It's now time to make sure you're using this in your work. So good luck.